What is the supreme law of the land? What does the Constitution do? The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words? What happened at the Constitutional Convention? When was the Constitution written? In 1787, there were 13 states in the United States. Each state had representatives. Representatives from the 13 states met with the Founding Fathers in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This meeting was called the Constitutional Convention. The Founding Fathers and the representatives agreed that the United States needed its own rules and laws. So, at the Constitutional Convention, the Founding Fathers wrote the Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. The Constitution defines the government. It defines the laws of the whole country. The first three words of the Constitution are, "We the people." We the people means the citizens, the people of the United States, are not ruled by a monarchy. We the people is the idea of self-government. This means that the people of the United States can create and change the government. What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. What does the Constitution do? It sets up the government. It defines the government. It protects basic rights of Americans. The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words? We the people. What happened at the Constitutional Convention? The Constitution was written. The Founding Fathers wrote the Constitution. When was the Constitution written? In 1787.